Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make patterns on a Rubik's Cube. So this video is going to be a tutorial. So the first pattern I'm going to be teaching you is the donut pattern. And so basically that is this pattern. I'll just show you first. So it's like that, and the middle parts are basically just scrambled. You see, it's actually pretty cool. And to do it fast, you can amaze your friends and trick them. They'll be like, "You're a magician, bro." Now, so basically, it's very easy to solve it also. So basically what I'm gonna do is this, and then that, and then that, and then that. So I'm gonna be teaching you from all over again. So just follow with me. And like that, that, and that. Once more. So I'm just holding my Rubik's Cube like that. It's very easy. There. And there. It's actually very, very easy. And the same way you can solve it. So like that, and then so what you're gonna do is you're gonna do that, and then it's like that, and then like that. Now to do it fast, you hold the cube like that, and then with your index fingers so it's like that. And then the next pattern I'm going to be teaching you is the checkerboard pattern. And I'm just going to do it fast. Just don't try to follow with me, because if you get wrong, so I'm going to be teaching you later how to resolve it. So first just look what the checker pattern is. So that's the checkerboard pattern. It's so cool. I'm still amazed by it. Lol. Now I'm gonna resolve it. And then boom, boom. So hold your cube like that, and then twice. Actually, it's more easier if you hold the cube how I am holding it. So basically, blue is on top, red is on the left, orange is on the right, and green is on the bottom, yellow is on my face. No, not on my face, I'm just kidding. So it's like, so it's double moves on these both, and then you turn like that, and then turn upside down, and then to solve it, you can just take any edge and then just double move, and then same on the bottom, turn like that, boom. So I hope you liked the video, and be ready on more Rubik's Cube videos. And a spoiler, I'm going to be maybe teaching you how to solve a Rubik's Cube or more patterns on the 4x4 Rubik's